All right, this review is going to be on this GleezeFun drone. Now this is their G11MINI. So let's get this opened up. I'll show you what's in the box. And then we're going to fly it. And I'm probably even going to crash it a few times just to see how durable this little drone is. This is a 250-gram drone, so you're not going to need any kind of special license to fly this drone. You're not going to have to register it or anything like that. It says here it has a 4K camera on it and 60 minutes of flight time. Now I'm sure that depends on how much wind you got to fight with, and it is GPS. Ooh, comes with a nice case. It will come with these, I'm sure, the batteries. Comes with 2 batteries. Oh, the battery is almost charged. You can push that button in, and it's going to show you. So it is. Looks like it's 3/4 of the way charged. So at least it won't take that long to get this thing charged up. Oop, that one there is about half charged up. And then you got the remote. These are going to fold that. Now that's just to make it a little more comfortable. You don't even have to fold them out. There's an antenna on the back. Fold that up. Fold that up. This is where you'll put your phone. And you have the drone itself. I think you have to fold out these top ones first. Fold out the bottom ones. That's the little drone. And there's a little cover over your camera, so make sure you remove that if you're going to try to take pictures or videos. So take that off. So we'll take that off now so I don't forget. And you can keep that cover to protect it. All right, let's open this zipper part up. You got a little screwdriver and a couple little USB to USB-C cords, it looks like. Yeah, these are going to be to charge up the batteries, I'm guessing. Yeah, this end here will plug into that. Looks like I have a flight guide and safety manual and a user manual. And you get some extra blades. Looks like I got a whole nother set of blades. Oh, you even got more screws and the pieces to hold the blades on. It does tell you on this card what all these buttons are. This is your return to home button. This right here is your compass calibration button. And this one all the way on the left is your auto takeoff and landing button. Then you are going to have your video and photo button here. Video, photo. And this button, these 2 buttons here are your camera up and camera down buttons. All right, I have the drone battery fully charged up. You'll be able to click that button to see if it's fully charged. Now we can put that in the drone. It's going to go like this is the top of the drone. You're going to be able to put it in like that. This is upside down. You're going to have that button at the bottom. Just slide that in there. It kind of clicks right into place. And you are going to want to get in your manual, and there's a QR code in here. Yeah, right here, there's a QR code. You're going to download that app. They have one for Android and one for Apple. After you have that all downloaded, which is very simple, just open up, you can unfold your drone then. You're going to unfold these top ones first. Make sure the props are free. Unfold the bottom ones. Props are all free. And then you can take, if you have one, you don't need this for flying, but you can put a little micro SD card in here and it will record your videos or your photos on it. So that's right where it goes. You can go up to 128 gigabytes. And like I said before in the video, make sure you have your cover off of your camera or video recorder here. There went my beep. I think I had to click that a couple of times, then hold it in. Now you can see the lights blinking, so I am ready. It tells you how to do this whole thing right here in this app. All right, now I have to spin this till I hear a beep. Oh, there it goes. And we got to spin it this way till we hear a beep. All right, the lights are solid. Hopefully that means we're ready. Woo! Here we go. Once you get that app downloaded, just follow them instructions on that app. So now I can go up. You can right or left, forward or back. I can spin it. Here we go. Oh, you're good. Oh, yep. Ah, don't touch it. Okay, you're gonna try to go under the trampoline. Oh. All right, crash 2, see if it survived.
Jim, do you know the distance?
Nope. I think it tells you if it went too far. Does it tell us speed? No speed, huh? Now go really high and like record. You can try to do it that way, and then if you lose it, you just push this little H button and it comes back.
Not if I crash it.
Well, yeah, right, not if you crash it. We hit return to home again. There's no way that's going to land right on the table. That's where we started from. Almost. See if you can fly it through my shed without looking at it, but on the screen. Oh my gosh. Yep. Crash number 3. Let's see, did it survive? I think so. It's a little beat up. Oh, my one prop is a little bent. Oh, those props. Whoa! Hey, did you turn it back on? Oh, there you go. I can't believe it's still flying. The one prop's a little jacked up. Let's not wreck it no more. Alright, we wrecked it 3 times and it's still surviving. And all it did was ding up my props.
That's why I'm wrecking it.
You take her off again. Woo. Definitely a cool little drone. It withstood, I think, 3 crashes and it's still flying. I do have to replace 2 of these props, I think, already because I chewed off the ends. But a lot of fun once you figure out how to fly it. It's really not that hard. Just follow the directions that come with the app. Pretty cool little drone.